Carlos Ramirez, owner of NBS Audio in Roselle, New Jersey. Ron and Richard took the trip all the way from Michigan to get the audio upgraded on both their bikes. So we had a CVO that we did stage 5, 10s in the bag, sealed and ported, and we had a Road Glide 3 trike that we did 10s in the trunk. We did, so on that one we did a 3000.1 and a 1200.4 in the fairing, 3000.1 in the trunk. On the CVO, we did a 1200.4 in the fairing, 3000.1 in the tour pack. On the CVO, we did sealed and ported bags. We did 5 1/4 coax in custom adapters in the CVO lids, and we did Cicada CH in the fairing. On the Road Glide 3, we did Cicada CH in the fairing. He didn't have lowers on the bike yet, but we did CMX in the lowers, and we did Cicada R1 horns in the lowers. He got the Dirty Bird lowers, got them painted. We pre-wired the bike and pre-tuned the bike. Then he took the speakers with him. He's currently getting the speakers installed, and we know what it's going to sound like because we had another trike here while his trike was here, so we were able to dial in the tune using that trike. Since he was going to have the same setup in the front, and we tuned the bass while it was here. So these guys hung out for a week. They spent a week in a hotel while we built both bikes at the same time. Super cool hanging out with these guys. It's just always awesome hanging out with somebody that's just like you, into the same stuff that you're into the same kind of music. So we had a great time. These guys were awesome to hang out with. They went and hung out in Manhattan for a couple of days, did some sightseeing while we worked on these these beautiful bikes. Both bikes are awesome. Both bikes sound completely different, but both bikes sound amazing. Check out the full build.
After the party, it's the Waffle House. If you ever been here, you know what I'm talking about. Where people don't dance, all they do is this. And after the original, you know what it is. Remix, it had to go down. I got something else to tell you about the new Motown. Where people don't visit, they move out here. And ain't no telling who you might see up in Lenox Square. I don't know about you, but I miss the Freaknik. Cause that's when my city used to be real sick. People from other cities used to drive for miles just to come and get a taste of this ATL. I'm the MVP, most ballin' player. Make my own moves.
Yeah. They ain't gonna like it. They ain't gonna like me. I be getting to the money. Everybody mad. I think I'm getting too much money. Everybody mad. Same old nigga from the block. Same old nigga with the pot. The same old nigga from the trap. Everybody hated on him, then he bounced right back. I just spent a whole lot of time overseas. Never limit my money cause you know I want cheese. I've been in my hometown playing with the keys when they fell off the boat. Yeah, I'm talking about Belize. I know it's a whole lot of niggas that was hating. I know it's a whole lot of bitches that was taken. So I shut the niggas up, bitches feeling us. I always knew that I was sick, so I had to stay patient. Taking over summer, nigga, tell me what's the bid. Heard you still cuffing, nigga, tell me what it is. You ain't paying no bills, buying no bags, buying no heels. Goddamn, let a bitch live. All I see is 20s, 50s, 100s. If it ain't $250,000, fuck the whip. I don't want it, about to make these niggas sick to the stomach. I be getting to the money. Everybody mad. I think I'm getting too much money. Everybody mad. The same old nigga from the block. The same old nigga with the pot. The same old nigga from the trap. Everybody hated on him, then he bounced right back.
Prozac music.
Look here, I got $19 for a lap dance. But I only got $1 for a cigarette. Look here, I got $19 for a lap dance. But I only got $1 for a cigarette. Get it good now. Get it good now.
You niggas are suckers. If you was starving, I wouldn't get your ass a crumb. You like an overcooked steak, bitch. You're way old past done. I got some news you can use. Some of you dudes playing football with basketball rules. There's game involved, don't try to compare it. Telling your side bitch all your business and she repeating it like a parrot. Don't get it twisted. Don't call me daddy, he'll call me your highness. If I stick my fist out, you better kiss it.
Hoes are playing footsies under the table. Our bodies are able to achieve high levels of ecstasy. You and me, and know how we can so for more. It sounds like this. Oh yeah, baby.
Mommy shark do 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 do, mommy shark do 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 do, mommy shark do 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 do
told my baby, right now I need her. Say that I can keep it, girl, I know you're down, baby. Tryna be your friend. Slow down, don't get away. Slow down, don't fall away. Slow down, don't push away. Slow down, don't push away. I just wanna love you. Yes, I love you. Listen, baby, I just wanna love you. Yes, I love you. Listen, baby, I just wanna love you. Listen, baby, I just wanna love you. Listen, baby, I just wanna love you. That I ain't no good for you and you ain't no good for me. I done tried and I tried to be all that you need.
Carlos Ramirez, owner of NBS Audio in Roselle, New Jersey. Ron and Richard took the trip out from Michigan to get the audio upgrade on both their bikes. Are you guys completely happy with the way it sounds?
Absolutely.
Was it worth the trip?
Yes.
Thank you, gentlemen.